Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can access dark web. So the dark web itself is not all the bad thing in the dark web. So there's a good thing also, but it's depend on you how you browse, how you can search something hidden or something that you want to uh, or you want some privacy there. So the first level, the first thing to do, the easy way to do is download this browser, Tor browser. This is famous for dark web access level 1. So this is the Tor browser. All you have to do is connect. Establishing a connection here, Tor browser routes your traffic over the Tor network run by thousands of volunteers around the world. So before you can use this browser, make sure you wait the connection first. So you can browse anything here, but did you notice there is an onion here? So this is like analogy. So there is extra layer to secure your IP address, secure your position. So this is like level 1. You can search anything here, but not too deep, not too dark, but it's enough for you in the level 1. I recommend you stop just just browse with this Tor browser in the level 1 is it's nothing crazy here, but if you curious you can go to the next level. So your Tor is establishing connection here, but if you want to go to the next level, please install the VPN. Use the VPN. So you can use NordVPN or another VPN that maybe you already a subscription. So why you have to or must use this VPN, because this like extra layer, extra protection. Tor already give you private connection here, but you the other user can see your IP address, can see your positions. So in analogy, if you use another protection like VPN, you can try to hide more your position. So there are two positions that cover your real position. So it's simply like that. As you can see, let's open a CIA. If you notice something, there is a onion here. So it means your browser is onionized. So and also there is here, this is like IP address that's this browser cover you, like Lithuania, guard you, United States, Germany, and blah blah blah. So if you use a VPN, there is more about your location in here. So there is a level 2. So let's level up into the level 3. So in the level 3, you still need Tor browser, but before that you have to prepare the USB. 8 gigabyte is enough, and try to download and install this Tails. This is a portable operating system that protects against surveillance and censorship. So this is a free software. You can download this, install Tails, like this one. Download this Tails only for USB stick. So you can download Tails USB image, a 1.4 gigabyte. After that, you can go to the Balena Etcher here. You can flash OS image to SD card and USB drive safe and easily. Here you can download Etcher here. Here, Etcher for Windows installer, you can download. So this is more or less how you can see this Tails operating system. So you can browse from here. You can browse the dark web carefully from here. So you can install Chrome, you can use VPN, you can use Tor browser from this operating system. So please free to try. I don't recommend you to go further above level 3 if you have or if you find a way. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As well, click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.